Hi, my name is Jeff. I'm the CEO and the founder for DecentralGPT. And this project is actually come up 1.5 years ago when we discussed what's the possibility of building a project that can utilize the upstream dynamics, especially there's a lot of projects right now, very good projects we are seeing is trying to democratizing the GPU, make it feasible for everybody. And we are building a project that can utilize this dynamic and make this GPT more accessible to everyone. So that's the story of this project. And what is the DecentralGPT? So think about this like a ChatGPT, but in a decentralized way. We are a decentralized AI large language models inference network. So we don't do training, but we support multiple open and closed and source language models. So think of this as like a wrapper, like we have a lot of models built on this platform. And when people get in and can select their own models, and in the future, we will have an algorithm that to select a model for the users based on their preferences. And our mission is to build an artificial general intelligence that is safe, private, democratic, transparent, open source, and accessible to everyone. Now, when we say this, we mean it. Because when we say accessible to everyone, is not everybody can be affordable for $20 a month, price tag. So how are we going to build this, right? First of all, we are talking about this market size. It's 30 billion by 2026 for the AI language. And by 2025, AI in general is 190 billion market. The problem for the centralization solution is the computing sources are very monopolized by a couple of big guys. So that will keep the cost very, very high. And also all the data are stored in a centralized location. This is a very not secure way to put data. And our solution is to decentralize this by dramatically lower the cost, and also create a transparent and accessible environment for everyone. So our product is actually pretty simple. We encompasses all the models. So all the models means maybe the top 10 mainstream models in the Llama model, the all-one model, and we incorporate all these open source models that's relevant to today's world. And we are also going to upgrade the models in the future. And like I said, users can select their own models initially, and then in the future, we will select the model for the users based on their search patterns and behavior in the past. These are just the examples of the models we're going to incorporate. And you can take a look. Now, this is the product is alive, and we are welcome to do a test for us. Obviously, this is the first version, but we're going to improve this based on the feedbacks from the users. The interface is pretty simple, but this feature right here, if you can see, you can actually select model. And based on the different model, the answers will be very, very different. Okay, so in the future, we will have auto selection, based on your past experience, and you can have a very automatic and a personalized model experience. So our slogan here is you are going to have an expert network at your fingertips. I'm just going to quickly scan this over. So this project is incubated by DBC Network. DBC is a decentralized computing network for GPU, and we are using their technology to create this wrapper. And our business model is divided into two parts. One is to C. As you can see, like we are charging a fraction of cost of what other competitors are charging. And to B model, we are charged based on the token used. So since I'm running out of time, I'm just going to highlight the tokenomics here. Over 40% of the token will be distributed to the mining. So that's really the our feature, the core feature of this presentation. So to incentivize people to stake their computing sources for these applications, we create this tokenomics. So like when people have a spare computing inputs and resources, we will reward them by the tokens. So the more GPU we have, the better for the whole ecosystem. And then 40% will be reserved. And then out of that 40%, 70% will be given to the miner, and 30% will be given to the modelers to incentivize people to give us like good models. And we'll have some selection process for who can stake their computers for these purposes. The competition is ChatGPT and Perplexity, so on and so forth. And obviously, they are more centralized because they host their data on AWS or these centralized locations. And we utilize, like we are truly Web3. We're utilizing everybody's computer to do the job. And you can take a quick look at our development plan. And thank you so much for this exciting journey. And hopefully, we can see you soon.